Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be almost a little bit like a face massage and a little bit of a scalp massage, but we're going to focus on releasing tension or trauma from the jaw. So a stiff or tight jaw can be due to many reasons, but most of the time it is due to stress or anxiety that makes us clench our jaw or even grind our teeth. And that can, of course, create tension on the muscles. If you have a stiff jaw, it can lead to headaches or migraines. It can make it uncomfortable to eat. So it is nice to take care of that. And the nice thing about the techniques that I'm going to show you today is that you can do them on yourself. I always like to use techniques that can be used as self-massage because it's just more accessible to a lot of people. So I hope you learned something and that you enjoy this video. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is actually just tap along the jaw. This warms the muscle up. It brings oxygen to this area, and it also starts some blood flow to the area. Each technique that I show you, you want to repeat for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so now we want to kind of rub up and down the jaw area to just below the temples. Up and down, back and forth. So these techniques are somatic techniques, which means it focuses on the physical body disconnected from the mind, meaning we're not using the mind in any of these techniques. It's just kind of physical movements that act as a remedy. So just back and forth. And of course, use the pressure that feels appropriate to you. I like to gently press a little bit harder as I get to the ear area. Okay, and then up next you want to use your forefinger and your thumb, and we're going to kind of clamp it on the side of the jaw and just massage, kind of pulling. Pressing. Just feel what feels right for you in this moment. And then the other side will do the same thing. And again, you want to spend about 45 seconds per side. Okay, so I'm gonna just gently tap around the jaw again, because this is the only movements we do actually touching the jaw. And then from here we're going to work on other areas that connect to the jaw. Alright, so now we want to focus on the neck, and specifically the sides of the neck. So begin just warming that up. Okay, and then you want to turn your head to the side. When you do that, you're going to feel there's a muscle running along the neck, and you want to just massage that muscle. You can do little pinching movements, or you can warm it up with your fingers. And this will help you to be able to swallow more easily if that's something you have trouble with. And do the same thing on the other side. you are wearing any hair accessories, you'll need to remove them. And what we want to do now is go to the area at the back of the head that starts just at the base of the scalp. And you want to massage that area. So this area actually signals to your nervous system that it's time to relax, we're safe, which in turn can relax your other muscles like your jaw. And you can use a bit more pressure in this area than you did on the face itself. Now what you want to do in that exact same area is you want to just gently pull on that hair a little bit. So I like to just lift the hair a little to maybe where you would have a mid pony, and then just from underneath, just tuck on the hair slightly. This stimulates the receptors in this area, which will help you relax and release that tension. If you have short hair, you can still grab the hair close to the root and just do a little bit of tugging. And then that should help release all tension. So I recommend maybe once a week or bi-weekly doing these exercises. You just need about 10 minutes to do them all, so you won't grind your teeth at night. And of course, if you have severe or continuous jaw pain or your jaw locks, then please do seek medical attention. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you again next time.